welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I do unboxings of all sorts. So if you like unboxing videos, definitely hit on that subscribe button because I would love to have you join me. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you and welcome back. Now for today's video, guys, I am all going off the beaten track. We are not talking about fashion. We are not talking about makeup. We're not talking about skincare. We're not talking about any of that stuff today. Today I am in Nana mode, and that's right. This is a brand new box that my daughter received, who is, by the way, pregnant, which most of my regular viewers already know because I talk about being a Nana all the time. Okay, but what this is, she came over to my house the other day and we were going over some details for her baby shower, for her upcoming baby shower. And right now she signed up on something called Babylist. And what Babylist is a registry where you can go as an expectant mother and you can put all the gifts that you would like to receive for your baby shower. And you don't have to order just stuff from off Babylist. You can order stuff off Amazon. You can put items from Amazon on there, from Target, from a lot of different stores. So it's really a good registry if you are an expectant mother to sign up so your guests can just sign in and see what's on your baby registry. But for all the information about this box, stay tuned to the end of the video. Or also, information is available in the description box down below. Just click on the Show More button. So let's go ahead and let's get straight into this box, shall we? Now, like I said, it does say not everybody's going to receive the same thing, but it gives you a pretty basic idea of what to expect. And right here, you get a little thing of diapers, one little baby diaper to get you prepared, along with coupons. You're definitely going to need that. But my daughter is having a game at her baby shower, and it's a diaper raffle. And what that is where everybody, all the guests, bring a bundle of diapers, and then they get entered into the raffle. And at the end of the baby shower, one winner will get a fantastic little gift. So that's a good idea to help get you started and get you ready for all the diapers that you're going to need. And also from Pampers, they have sensitive baby wipes. So you got your first little diaper change going on here. They've included tons of coupons, Pamper coupons, Deft coupons, and then they give you also this. You can, at Shutterfly, you can get 10 free birth announcements for when the baby's born. And they have this Aveeno baby wash and shampoo. They have a baby bum, which I love the name of that baby bum. And it's a coconut balm. And it is plant-based ingredients, vegan, hypoallergenic, and pediatrician tested. So that is great because you need a lot of diaper ointment. I know my daughter she had a very sensitive bum. I shouldn't probably be saying that as she's a 26-year-old woman, but she did. And now they have this one called Tubby Todd, and this has 4,000 5-star reviews, and this is an all-over ointment, and this is natural avocado and cucumber extracts. And I've noticed that with babies nowadays, they have a lot of natural ingredients, like coconut, avocado, all those good things. And here is the Deft, you probably could get one load of laundry, Deft laundry detergent for babies. And then they give the mother-to-be some stretch mark lotion from Palmer's Belly. And then they have a binky, and this is called Chico's Fizo Formula, actively supports baby's breathing. Nipple design helps position tongue forward to maintain an open airway. It is silicone, and this is for 0 to 6 months, and it is an orthodontic pacifier. So another great gift, and I do not know if this was a mistake or not, but look at all the coupons that they included in here. And this is a thank you treat from me to you, $25 to shop Shutterfly. So that was included. And then this is completely new to me. This is called a diaper, and this is plant-based and responsible bamboo diaper. A bamboo diaper. I never knew such thing even existed. And they have a $20 offer inside. I don't know if that's an expensive diaper. Don't know. I'm going to be learning a lot. And this is from the Honest brand, and this is plant-based wipes, over 99% water, so that'll be good for the baby. And we can't just let Pampers have all the love. We got some Huggy diapers too, and this is step 1 up to 14-pound baby, so this will be a good start. Let me put some of this over here. Okay, and then we have from Lancino. Oh, it's 2 breast milk storage bags. So it's little storage bags for your breast milk. And then this is a Philips baby bottle, 4-ounce anti-colic bottle with air-free vent, designed to reduce feeding issues, colic, gas, and reflux. So that's very important. And then something else, it looks like Easy Start Anti-Colic and Start Pacifier. This is ideal for combining with breastfeeding. Oh, so it's another bottle. Oh, so it's another bottle. I don't want to open this, but there is so much I've got to learn, guys. And then there's a little gift card from yummy.com. I'm sure that's a food delivery service. And then look at the little onesie from Burt's Bees. Oh, that's so cute. And then she has a ton of coupons in here. Oh, this is Noodles and Boo. Noodles and Boo. What a cute name. Newborn 2-in-1 hair and body wash and super soft lotion. So you have that. I'm totally running out of room, guys. And then down here you have a whole bunch more, a gift for Wellaments. And then they have these Willow. My daughter was saying she might want these, but she said they're very expensive, and they give you a $50 off coupon. But I guess it's supposed to be so the mom-to-be don't have to be hooked up to anything. I really don't know. I'm learning as I'm going here, guys. And that's basically it. Just some more advertisements. You can see how wonderful is all this stuff that you get in a box for $5.99. There's some bamboo diapers. There is a yummy card for some kind of online food for babies. There's a Huggy diaper, 1 bottle, some Honest baby wipes, another kind of bottle, Burt's Bee onesie, some bags for the bottles, a whole bunch of coupons, some Deft baby laundry detergent, some baby wash from Aveeno baby wash and shampoo, some Baby Bum coconut balm, some kind of Palmer's stretch lotion for moms-to-be, a pacifier, some more ointment for a baby, some more coupons for pictures, more coupons for laundry detergent and Pampers, Pampers wipes, and Pampers, one pack of Pampers. Now here is all the information to receive your welcome box from Babylist. Now, how do you get the Hello Baby box? First off, you have to sign up with Babylist first. Then you will need to add 3 items to your registry. This is all the basic information. You need to add 3 items to your registry directly from the Babylist store, which that ain't hard. And then you can add 3 items to your registry from other stores. That's not hard. You're going to do those things anyway. And then you have to make a minimum purchase totaling $10 from the Babylist store. And then you just have to verify your address and pay $5.99 in shipping to receive this box. And that is fabulous. So basically, you'll get this box for $5.99. Now, they are saying, here's some more of the information. The items included in the box typically fits babies 2 to 3 months old. You can only ship Hello Baby boxes to physical U.S. addresses. No P.O. box, no U.S. territories or international addresses. So that's important to know. The $10 Babylist store purchase, you have to make a $10 Babylist purchase. But it can be made by you or an item from a gift giver that you that somebody purchases off the Babylist. So you don't even have to purchase anything. It's going to be a gift somebody else can purchase. So as soon as they make a $10 purchase off the Babylist, one of your guests, you only have to pay $5.99 for this box. But only the registry owner can place the order for a Hello Baby box. Like, I'm the grandma. I could not do this. Only the expectant moms can do this. This is a 1 Hello Baby box limit per household per year. And all the basic information on how this Hello Baby box works. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I'll see you on my next video.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.